Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with my little GoPro camera. It's a beautiful Saturday morning in Anthem, Arizona, mid-October. We are at the Anthem Autumnfest. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use my little GoPro camera and we're going to go film some interesting crafts and food and maybe some pumpkins here, so hang on. Okay, we're at the food court and we're panning through the food court there. There's funnel cakes and fry bread and fish tacos, yum. Chicken strip baskets, lobster roll. There's the lemonade stand right there. As we pan through, there's pizza. And there's Gus's Murals, specialty foods. They have corn dog and Philly cheesesteak, French fries. And of course, you can't have a food court without the barbecue. What we're going to do is we're going to check out Gus's Murals and specialty foods here. We're going to see what they're up to. Okay, it's like 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning, and look, Gus's has a line already. Actually, this is my good friend Lenny, and we're going to go behind the scenes. I'm going to take you actually in the back and show you what he's making, how he's making it, and I might even get some samples. Okay, we're back in the where the food is being prepared, and Lenny is making. What are you making here, Lenny? Pretzels?
Corn dogs, pretzels.
Corn dogs, pretzels.
Oh, in the whole stand you're talking about?
No, Alex, what are you doing right now?
Oh, I'm just dropping French fries.
You're dropping French fries, okay?
Making corn dogs, hand dip, all beef corn dog.
Okay. You think I could sneak up there? Are they cutting your slicing
They're
Murals?
not cutting at the minute, but
Okay.
they will be shortly.
All right.
We're just waiting for that problem to be solved.
So this is Saturday. What do you expect for guests today?
Oh, well, there'll be about 20,000 at the park.
Okay.
So we should be able to get at least 20% of those. Just need to...
Now you did this last year, right?
Right, I've done it for about 4 or 5 years now.
Okay.
They do it twice a year. And they always get a good crowd.
Okay, this is the pretzel. What are you doing right now?
Salting the pretzel.
You're salting the pretzel. Oh. Okay.
Take it, here, you can take this with you too.
Okay, you're gonna keep up. How many corn dogs do you normally sell?
Oh, we'll probably go through about 200.
What, today or the whole weekend?
Probably the whole weekend.
Okay.
Be on the safe side.
Now these are hand dipped. Well, they look good, don't they? All beef.
Of course. Nothing but the best.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and let's see if we can get a shot of the Murals when you start trimming the Murals, okay?
You can go ahead and call it.
Hey, we're up front here, and Michael, what are you doing here?
Making a Philly cheesesteak.
Philly cheesesteak. So we got peppers, onions,
Yep. And then the steak.
and what's the bun look like?
Thank you. All right, here's 6-inch open.
Okay. Looks like it's pretty fresh. He's over here. We got some cheese here. What type of cheese is that?
It's going to be American, white American.
Okay. We have onions, tomatoes. What is that, feta cheese?
Yep.
It's feta cheese right there, okay. Then you slice the bun in half, open it up, right?
Yep.
Well, the bun looks pretty fresh. Poke it. That's a pretty fresh bun, isn't it? Okay, thanks guys. Okay, Maurice is making a lemonade. Now this is just not the average lemonade, is it? This is fresh lemonade, right?
Yep, hand squeezed.
Yeah. All right. Let's step back over here and see what Mike's doing. Like I see, you've got the bun on top of the actual meat and the onions and the cheese. Wow. Okay. Wow, that looks really good. He's going over here, wrapping it up, and it's ready to serve.
Philly cheesesteak with no peppers.
All right. Okay, we got Mike here. He's slicing the gyros. How do you pronounce that? Gyros?
Gyro, yeah. Gyro.
Pronounce it gyros, right? Some of them do that.
Yeah, some people do.
Okay, what's that made out of? That?
This is a lamb and beef mix.
Okay. And as you can see, that little there's actually a little. It's not flame back there, but it's like
an infrared.
Yeah, infrared, yeah. As it goes around, it cooks the outside of it. Now he's going to take it and put it over here. Now, are you going to make one? You want to make one for me?
Sure.
Okay. Hot, 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 hot. What are you making there?
Hummus and pita.
Oh, okay. Hummus? Right there. Okay. A hummus pita.
Nice.
Here's Mike making my gyros over here.
Start with the meat. You want everything on it?
Everything, yeah. Now you're gonna put what type of sauce are you gonna put on this?
So we put onions, tomatoes, and tzatziki sauce.
Tzatziki sauce. Is that like a
Which is like a cucumber type sauce.
cucumber type sauce?
Yeah, it's got some yogurt and cucumber.
Yeah, put some extra cucumber sauce on for me. I love it.
Is that good for you?
That'll work. Sure, looks good.
That's it.
That's it. That's how easy that is. Now, how many do you think you sell in a day?
Oh, that's a good question. I don't know. Maybe a couple hundred probably.
A couple hundred a day. Okay. All right. Okay, we're leaving Lenny's, Gus's Murals. Happy, well fed, and we're going to go investigate and try to find something else. Okay, wood roses. This sounds interesting. Let's walk in and see what's going on here.
Hi,
Hi there. What is your name?
my name is Andrea Reese,
Okay.
and these are made out of birch wood shavings.
Okay.
There's actually, if you break one open, there's a foam ball in the middle of the wood, and then it's just shaved. If it's a solid color, it's dyed. If it's two-tipped, it's airbrushed on top.
I've never seen wood roses before. This is
Yeah.
pretty neat.
Thank you.
$10, that seems pretty
$10
inexpensive.
a dozen.
Yeah.
Expensive?
No, inexpensive.
Oh, yeah.
Inexpensive.
I try to make it affordable.
All this work? I mean, how long does it take you to make just one rose?
Nothing is done just in one. Everything is done multiple.
Oh, okay.
Colors. They all start off as white, and if you leave them in the sun, they will eventually turn back to white.
Okay.
You want to keep them out of the sun.
All right.
But I got a nice selection.
You
minus
do?
the grapes.
Now, is this your first year?
No, I've been doing this for 31 years.
Okay, this festival here, though.
No, this is my maybe 9th one at this one.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. And so you do other festivals?
Yes, this is what I do full time for a living. Make children's toys, and then I do the roses.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for the interview.
You're very welcome.
Okay, I found another interesting craft here. This is Gary. Gary, explain what you have here.
Okay, my name is Gary and I make kaleidoscopes. This is called a wand kaleidoscope because of the wand shape optic chamber. And the way it works is you hold it with the wand up and down, gravity moves the material through the wand, and that creates the image inside. This is a 3-mirror kaleidoscope, and
I'm not sure if we can get a good shot here. Maybe we can. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Wow. That's pretty neat. And these aren't made in China, are they?
no, I make these. I've been making kaleidoscopes for about 10 years.
Okay. And Gary, where can we find you on the internet?
I have a YouTube channel where I post my videos of kaleidoscopes, and that's under the channel Gary Kilsdonk.
Okay.
Kilsdonk.
Okay, Gary. I'm going to place this on my blog site, and it's very interesting. Never seen somebody who has made handmade kaleidoscopes before. Okay, thanks.
A lot of fun, yeah.
Okay, thanks, Gary. Okay, I found something interesting here.
Hi.
Hi there. What do you have here? What's the Hemp Soap Company?
Yes.
And your name is?
Melinda Lusk.
Okay. Melinda, let's walk in here and get out of the sun a
Sure.
little bit. Let me show you what you're doing here. What do you make these?
I make everything here, and everything is made out of hemp seed oil, which is very nourishing for the skin.
All right.
We make all of our soaps homemade, and everything else here as well. We do have some products that we also add CBD.
Okay. Well, can you explain what CBD is?
It's for pain relief. It's the medicinal part of the hemp plant.
Okay.
And we also use small amounts in our lotion just for the to intensify the skin benefits.
Now, you don't have to be licensed or registered, or I mean, there's not enough.
Actually, I am. You
Oh,
don't have to be, but I am.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Okay.
So.
Did you have to like take a test and go to school? Or?
I did go to school, even though it's not required.
Okay. Good.
And you have to be careful when you're purchasing CBD because there is no regulation.
Right.
And you never know who. You have to know who. You have to trust who you're buying it from.
Okay. So let's talk about this soap out here.
Sure. Can you give me 1 second?
Sure. We have a customer.
Yeah.
We have a customer. All right.
And you got one large one? Yeah. Just text the receipt to you.
Oh, they smell good.
Soap, $6 each, or 3 for $15. All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so you make this hand soap.
I do.
Okay. What?
It's the cold process method.
Okay,
Where
so
you do mix.
You don't boil like.
No, it's not hot process.
Okay, all right.
So this is made with lye, water, and all natural carrier oils.
Okay.
Everything here.
So how long does it take you to make? I imagine there's a.
About a month.
Really that
It
long?
does. I make the soap initially and put it in large loaves.
Okay.
And it has to cure for at least 4 weeks.
Wow, that's a lot of work.
It is a lot of work.
And you're
Now-
selling it for $6 each,
Yes.
or 3.
Now, my lavender soap actually takes 6 weeks to make.
6 weeks to
Yes,
make.
because I infuse if you see the buds in there,
Okay.
I infuse that in the hemp oil for a full 2 weeks before processing the soap.
Okay. What else can you tell me about? So you got some pain relief here.
Yes,
What do you do? Rub that on, or?
you do. I will show you. This particular one has a roller ball,
Oh, okay.
and I have a tennis elbow, and this is what I do every day. Just rub it right on there, and it soaks right in. In about 15 minutes, the pain is very diminished.
Okay. Anything else you can tell me?
Everything is absolutely all natural and organic carrier oils, and I do not use any synthetic fragrances. Everything's done with essential oils or the scent.
Well, this is really unique. I've never. There again, I
you.
attend a lot of festivals, but I guess hemp is coming on strong, isn't it?
It is, and it's actually a good thing that the CBD's been legalized, because it is so good for us and so good for our skin.
Now I'm going to place this video on Harvey's Silver Fox
Okay.
GoPro, which I'm using,
Okay.
.com. So if you want to check it
will.
out there, okay? Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks for the interview.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we're back at Gus's Murals. Actually, it's Lenny's, and we're going to wrap it up. I've got a couple of interviews in, and we're going to say goodbye to Lenny. Of course, you can see the lines he has, and if you look around, he's got the biggest lines. I wonder why. And I'm going to move in on Lenny here. Lenny, any departing words?
Well, just
Words of wisdom?
Come down and eat. You know, that's all I can say. Thank you guys for stopping by today. And you'll have to excuse me, but I gotta go deliver corn dogs.
Okay, all right.
Take care.